So let us start working on the second problem, right here. So if each side of a square will be doubled, then its perimeter will be. So let us check out here. So this is going to be the square. Square means what? All sides are equal. All sides are equal. Right. So now what happens? Let me consider this as A. Right. So obviously what happens? This is also going to become A. Right. So perimeter of this particular square is going to be what? A plus A, which is nothing but 4A. Right. So now the question is, if each side of the square is doubled, so let us check out here. Now it is doubled. That doubled means you are going to multiply with 2. That is, A will become 2A. So this is 2A, and 2A. Let me check out now perimeter of increased size, that is going to be 2A plus 2A plus 2A plus 2, which is going to be 2 plus 2, 4 plus 2, 6 plus 2, 8A. Right. Now compare this 4A and 8A. So what happens here? It is also doubling. So it is multiplied by 2. That's what option A is the right one, that is 2 times.